I'm trying not to get.
Do you want Dr. Pepper to eat?
Yeah.
It's not on there.
Do
you want, what did you want?
I wanted Dr. Pepper.
Right, well, I'll go back and get it because you do it here.
Okay. There's a rider taxing. Airplane taxing there. Here's some brown vehicles, I believe. I think the brown color. Just thought I'd film a little plane spotting vid. And also I brought Metal Sonic and some other Sonic plushies that are in my bag. So yeah. Oh, there's a ATR. There's an ATR taking off there. ATR taking off. Let me see if I can get it. Is it taking off or landing? Is he Edgecraft control tower? That's 72. Oh wait, I think it was landing because it slowed down. Oh, there's a Ryanair taxiing there. Wait a minute, why is there a Ryanair boarding thing at a WestJet plane? That's just a 737 Aer Lingus. By the way, earlier I saw an Aer Lingus in the retro livery, which was cool. There's Ryanair. I wonder if that's the one I'm going to be flying on. By the way, I'll be prepared for a hard landing. Oh, it's going into the terminal. It's going into the terminal. I love driving plane. Isn't that cool? It's going in. It's going to that one, which is, I'm in Terminal 1 of, Gate 103, sorry. Oh my god, wasn't that cool? It is 9. Okay, I can't read its call sign well, but look at it. In all its glory. There's a Reynolds fan there.
Watch your Nelly there.
Okay. And there's a British Airways A320. There's a British Airways A320 taxiing there. This is really cool. This is generally really cool. Yeah, I'm at the Dublin Airport in Ireland. Oh, look, there's a 72 landing. I think it's a 72 or it's a 42. See if we can get his touchdown. Oh, was that? Did it just go around? Is it on? Yeah, it's on the wrong way. I'm gonna try and get over here. Oh wait, I want to bring Metal Sonic with me. There it is. We're on our plane. I think it's like a baggage truck. That's a refueling truck, I think. Okay, there's just. Oh, look. There's an ATR. I can hear like engine or prop noises. So yeah, this is incredible. Oh, there's some American planes here. There's some American Airlines planes here. I also saw a United one. And there's the like cargo airliners. There's DHL, FedEx. Sadly, not a FedEx on 11. Oh, there's some private aircrafts there. There's private aircrafts. So you can just see. And I brought this guy. My Matchbox Iberia A300. Wow. This is just amazing. These poor people's ears from like engines and stuff. But wow. Oh look, there's one landing. There's one landing. If only my camera could freaking focus. Touchdown, no Smith. Imagine it goes around. Wow, this is cool as hell. Just wow, I cannot believe I'm here right now. Oh, well, I don't have anything else to report, so.